Yo guys, let's see how you can get ReelShort coins for absolutely free. I'm gonna show you today. This works both on iOS and on Android devices. So, if you are ready, we can go. Okay guys, I am in my ReelShort app. As you can see, now you can see my coins rising up rapidly. So as you can see, they're loading up, and let me show you the process how you can get your coins for free, just like this. So for starters, let's head over to our Safari, search for a website called appspatched.com. When you're on that website, search for ReelShort. Okay, here we are. Now you can enter your username or email address here. Let me enter mine. Okay, select the platform based on your device. I'm gonna go with iOS, and now you can choose the amount of coins that you are going to get for absolutely free. Go to generate resources, and now all we are going to do is wait for a couple of seconds, and you are going to be transferred to the success page in most cases. Okay, here it is. Resources are successfully sent, which means that in about 2 minutes you can get back to your ReelShort app and check back your resources. Now, I saw some people on Reddit saying that after it has been loaded, they had some device verification step. Make sure to complete that if they ask you to, because sometimes they just do. But right after you complete that, you're going to have free resources sent to your account, as you can see with my personal account. So that's exactly how to get ReelShort coins for absolutely free. Make sure to like and subscribe, guys, and I'm gonna see you in some other video. Peace.